Here we come to the elevator at Carolina Place Mall, Pineville, North Carolina. It's a glass elevator. Somebody ring the bell. You probably have folks on YouTube. And this is two. That's a door from Brown to Care. These are cool lights. Look at that ceiling up here. Here it comes. The bell can does not light up either. I'm gonna hold the door for them. Come on. Come on. Oh, going up. Oh, shh.
It's okay.
Oh. Close the door for me, please.
Are you still recording, Michael?
No nuts mode. Let's go by that one.
Okay, well, we gotta let her out first. And close the door.
The phone's locked.
Aw.
Bad. Really bad. This is a busy elevator today. We're gonna see them to do and watch it go up.
Okay.
Takes every while. Up, down, went. Oh, going up.
Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
Very nice, Michael.
Go watch it go up.
Okay.
Here it comes. There goes the elevator up. We just came. That's it. Hope you enjoy it.